In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 200-day moving average on TradingView. If you're new to this, the 200-day moving average is one of the most widely watched trend gauges in technical analysis. It smooths out price action over roughly 9 months of trading days and helps you quickly see whether a market is generally trending up, trending down, or moving sideways. Adding it on TradingView takes just a moment. Start with your chart open in TradingView. Look toward the top left area of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it may read Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Click it to open the search panel. You'll see a search bar right at the top. Type in 200-day moving average. TradingView will return a list of results that match what you typed, including options labeled 200-day moving average, 200 SMA, or 200 MA. All of these are community-created versions that are already set up with a 200 period length, so you don't have to configure anything manually. Now, select one created by the community from the list. You'll notice these scripts usually show the author's handle and sometimes a short description. Pick a straightforward one that simply says 200-day moving average or something very close to that. As soon as you click it, TradingView automatically applies the indicator to your chart. There's nothing else you need to do. You should immediately see a smooth line appear over your price candles, typically in a distinct color, so it's easy to spot. That's really all there is to it. The line you're seeing is calculated over 200 periods on whatever time frame you're viewing. On a daily chart, that represents roughly 200 trading days. On an hourly chart, it represents the last 200 hours. Traders often glance at where price sits relative to this line to get a quick read on the broader trend. If price holds above it for an extended stretch, that's often read as strength. If it lingers below, that can suggest weakness. Just remember, this is a lagging indicator by design, meant to smooth out noise rather than predict sudden moves. Because these are community scripts, visual styles can vary a bit from one to another, but the core idea is the same. Show you the 200-day average as a clean, easy-to-read line. If you prefer a version labeled SMA or EMA, choose the one that aligns with your analysis style. Both are popular, with the EMA reacting a bit faster to recent price changes. And that's it. Click Indicators, search for 200-day moving average, select a community version, and it's on your chart.